My name is Lisa Rogers, and I'm an oncologist. I practice in the Downriver area and also in Detroit. When I heard about the potential development of an intermodal shipping site at the old McLeod site, I was very concerned about the potential health impacts. I think that people envision this as a lot of containers that are maybe being put on ships that go through the river, but I don't think people have really considered the impact on health. Truck transportation itself is quite hazardous to human health. And these trucks, of course, would be coming from Detroit to the Trenton area. And once they're at the site, they're actually idling there as well. And trucks do emit diesel exhaust. And the International Agency for Research on Cancer, which is a part of the World Health Organization, has determined through very careful study that diesel exhaust is a cause of lung cancer. There's also a possible link between diesel exhaust and bladder cancer. Unfortunately, the risk of lung cancer in Wayne County is higher than anywhere else in Michigan. And a number of studies that have looked at the cause for that lung cancer have associated the cancer with occupations that involve exposure to diesel exhaust. In addition to diesel exhaust, trucks emit a number of substances called particulate matter, and these are things that you and I could even see, such as soot that's visible, but very many times things that are microscopic to us. And these particulate matters cause things such as eye irritation, throat irritation, and coughing. But over a long period of time, they actually can cause blood vessel injury, and they're associated with heart attacks and strokes, and later on, of course, with the development of cancer. And it's not only the truck emissions themselves, but the brake pads can also emit particulate matters and also harmful substances such as asbestos. In other areas where intermodal shipping sites have been developed, it's been demonstrated that there are health risks to people living along those roads. For example, every time a truck comes through and there's a concern about diesel exhaust as well as these other particulate matters coming from the truck, those affect anybody along the roadway. Actually, studies done of other intermodal shipping sites in the United States have demonstrated a significant risk to children. For growing children, it actually stunts their lung growth and they grow up with impaired lung function. There is an increased risk of asthma, leading to children needing medications, emergency room visits. In addition, women living close to these sites have been shown to have a higher rate of low birth weight infants, premature births, and even miscarriages. I find it hard to understand how any municipality could put profits above the health of its citizens. As a practicing oncologist, we have seen dramatic improvements in the outcomes of patients that we treat, but I would much rather not see a patient with cancer. And especially if something's preventable. We should make every effort possible in our communities to reduce the risk of developing cancer.
What is more important than public health?
That's a tough one to answer, isn't it?